Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Colorado Work Truck. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 119,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.